Routers are extremely versatile tools. They are used to do different tasks like edge forming, slot cutting, bit plunging, laminate trimming, and many other applications in woodworking industries. This is Ronix 7112 electric router, which will assist you in a broad range of applications with its wonderful 1850 watt motor, which spins with a no-load speed of 5 to 22,000 rounds per minute. Let's see how it works. In 7112's packaging, you'll find some accessories, including a flush trim router bit, 2 colorless sleeves, 2 spanners, a plastic dust shield, a guide holder, a very useful trimmer guide, a straight guide, and a template guide. This is a router bit, and the collet is what keeps the bit inside the router. To install this, you place the shank into the collet, you push it all the way in, back it off a little bit, and use this button to lock the armature of the motor. And try to tighten the bolt with your hands, and use your spanner to fasten the bolt as tight as possible. Safety speaks first. To protect your eyes against the wood chips and also having a good vision of the trimming line, we can use this. This is a plastic dust shield, which you can install it on the device just like that and use this screw to fix it in place. There we go. What I really like about this device is this super precise depth adjustment. As you can see, by pressing the device down, you can get the exact indication of the depth that you want to trim or cut. Once you set the depth, you can use this lever right here to lock the tool down, so you can turn the dial to the proper position. That's it. There's another depth gauge on the front, which is here, which you can set the trimming or cutting depth against one of these 3 position stop right here using this button like this. And you're set to go. Alright, very nice. This was a flush trimmer bit, which are used for edge trimming applications. Now I'm going to use a bigger bit, which you can find in many different shapes in the market. They are used for edge forming. Let's see how this one works. Alright, the bits that we used so far, they were 12mm bits, which you can put straight to the bit holder of the tool. But now, for making a groove on the surface, I'm going to use this bit, which is a 6mm one, And remember, in the accessories we talked about 2 colorless sleeves. We have 8 and 6mm ones, so I'm going to use this. It's really simple. You just put the shank inside, and then the same procedure goes on. For making a straight groove on the surface, we're going to use this guide holder and this straight guide, which is really easy to install and adjust. You just take this red screw off, put it on the holder, and then put it back on. Simple. Alright, for installing this on the tool, it's really easy. There are 2 holes right here. You just put these 2 shanks to the holes. You adjust the distance you want and use these 2 set of screws to fix it in place. Alright, we are all set. I'm not going to do it on this one. I'm going to use a fresh one for you to see the grooving line. Alright. Now by pressing down the device, you can see the depth of the grooving that you want to do, and you are all set to go. Alright, as you can see, the edge of this workpiece is not really in a good shape. So what I did is, I'm going to use another guide, which is a trimmer guide, on the guide holder, and let's see what happens to the edge. Okay, what I did today with Ronix 7112 electric router was just the tip of the iceberg. You can do a lot more using different shapes of router bits. Today we did edge forming on the sides in different sizes of workpieces like this. We did grooving on the surface. We did normal trimming line on the side. It was really fun to work with this tool. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you later.